Imagine waking up to whitewashed buildings perched on cliffs, their shadows dancing under the golden sunlight. This is Santorini, where every corner is a painting and every sunset pulls at your soul. Stroll through its cobblestone streets, the scent of fresh baklava wafting through the air. Taste the magic of a meal paired with local fine wine as you overlook azure waters that stretch endlessly. For the adventure seekers, here's a tip. Visit the island during the serene shoulder seasons, spring or fall, to escape the crowds and savor authentic Greek culture. Don't miss the volcanic beaches. Each grain of sand tells a story of ancient eruptions. Some places feel like a dream until you live them. Pack your bags. Your next adventure awaits. Subscribe to Destination Travel and unlock more hidden wonders around the globe. Your passport to new beginnings is just a click away.